Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore washer and electric dryer set, and right now I've got the washer set up going on a heavy duty load. I've already filled it full of clothes, it's full of water, and it is doing an excellent job agitating. You can hear it. And if you hear that kind of a ju noise, that's how you know that this thing is actually working and getting clean. You should be able to spin it freely one way, not back the other way. If you can spin this freely in both directions, then this is broken and you need to get a new agitation kit for it. Just so you know, something I like to point out, people who don't have the agitators or are used to front load washing machines, they've never heard that noise before, so I get that question a lot. Anyway, tons of options on here. I'm going to let it run through its cycle as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. The washers get a 28-point inspection, the dryers get a 22-point inspection. I check everything electrical, mechanical, everything has to work perfect before it gets listed up for sale and before it leaves my care. So we'll let this guy go through. I'll let you see that water drains out, that it spins nice and smooth. Then we'll switch over to the dryer and I'll let you hear that and see that it heats and everything like that. So we'll come back. Alright guys, it just made it through the wash cycle. It has paused momentarily. Now it's draining. You can hear it draining that water out. If I lift the lid up, it's going to shut it down. And then also if you interrupt that, then it immediately kicks into spinning. So you really don't want to lift the lid up at all during the cycle if you absolutely don't have to. Allow it to do its thing. But like I said, you can hear it's draining. So now it's going to move into the rinse portion and then into the final spin. So we'll come back for that final spin. I'll show you it's nice smooth operation. Everything's nice and quiet. So, alright, we're back. Final spin. It is at the fastest it's going to spin here. Still draining out that water. You can see it's nice smooth operation. It sounds great. I'm going to lift the lid up and show you that it is spinning nice and fast. Of course, it's going to hit the brakes and shut it down with the safety switch. That way you get to see that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. And that's my bug zapper in the background if you keep hearing those loud pops. It's taking care of those mosquitoes. So here we go. There you go. You see it spinning nice and fast. If this gets lifted up, the safety engages and shuts it down. So we'll let that finish spinning out, then we'll move over to the dryer. Okay guys, now I've got the Kenmore electric dryer. I've got the clothes piled up in there, so I'm going to show you that sounds good. We'll just do time dry, high heat, and hit go. You can kind of hear those clothes tumbling around in there, but you can see it's nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And what I'm going to do is show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So right in between those two red dots, it's taking a surface temperature measurement, if I can say that. There's a little difference there between the dryer and the floor of the garage here. We'll go ahead and open this up. We're going to shoot it right inside the heating element tube. See plenty of heat coming out of there. I'll take a picture of that for the ad. So you know the heat comes out of that little vent there, heats the inside of the dryer up anywhere from about 95 to 195 degrees. That just depends on what you have your setting at right here. So there is a setting for delicates if you want low heat, medium heat, and then high. And of course you have a couple of additional settings on the timer there. And there's also a cycle signal here too. So that's it on the dryer. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.